Welcome to beautiful Club Med Cefalù in Sicily, Italy. If you're planning a stay at this incredible all-inclusive resort and wondering which room category is right for you, this video is for you. Today I'm taking you on a tour of two different room categories, giving you a detailed look at the layout, design, and amenities of each. Whether you're looking for a comfortable getaway or a more premium stay, this room tour will help you decide which accommodation best suits your travel style. Now, let's go tour my room, the Villetta Deluxe Panoramic Sea View, located in one of the most exclusive sections of the cliffside. This signature bungalows that offers approximately 430 square feet of indoor and outdoor living space. As you enter, you'll find a cozy sitting area with a small table and chairs, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or just planning your tea. Moving over to the storage area, there's plenty of room for two people. You'll find bathrobes, comfortable indoor slippers. There's also information on the resort's laundry service tucked neatly inside. There's multiple drawers, shelving. There's lots of hanging space and everything is thoughtfully laid out. Now moving on to the double door space, it's as you can see, there's a ironing board. There's a lot of hangers. The space, honestly, what I did, I unpacked and I used the space just to store my luggage. So it wasn't in the room, in my space all the time. I just tuck it away here. Then when you move over, you're going to find more shelves. You'll find a safe that's very simple to program with your own pin. There's lots of shelves again, drawers. There's no issues with space here. The room also includes a complimentary non-alcoholic minibar, which is restocked daily when they come to clean your room. It has sparkling water, still water, some soft drinks, and a few snacks you get in there as well. And then also you could even request. You could just make requests if you want anything more. They would just deliver it to your room. Also love the thoughtful welcome touches, including a personalized note and a little gift of local jams, which added a little nice Sicilian touch. Now let's talk about this bed. It is huge and very comfortable. It has this very open concept. It's very airy, a lot of lights, beautiful view. Now look at how beautiful this bathroom is. It is very modern. It has an open concept design. There's a curtain to separate the bathroom from the bedroom. Double vanity, which is perfect for two people when getting ready. There's a full-length mirror, a private toilet area. It also has a soaking tub, very, very nice touch. The shower is very separate as well, and it is such a beautiful space, and it's huge and very comfortable. Now this is my favorite part. Look at this view. Look how gorgeous this is. This area is just the cherry on top. It's beautiful. It's just breathtaking here. Now after the beautiful view, let's head back in. Just to mention that there is this very nice bright area where you can sit and get dressed. You can put on your makeup, you can curl your hair, dry your hair, all those things in this area. There's also an espresso machine where you can make your coffee daily. They restock it for you every time they clean your room. You can even make requests for extras as well. Now let's go look for room category number 2. This is the way out of my room. It is the private walkway, private area. It's very, very private, very quiet. It's room 33, so which is basically very not too close to a lot of things, but it's not too far as well. It's maybe 3 minutes walk to the pool, the fitness area, to the reception area. Everything is very convenient around. Now as you can see, there's a lot of greeneries. It's beautiful. Again, you don't even know your neighbor. Everyone is so far apart, so it's a lot of privacy there. There's no noise, nothing. Maybe you can hear the noise from the bar at late at night, but to me, it didn't bother me at all, so that's great. And look at the grounds. It's beautiful. Now, this is the superior room I'm taking you along. This one is on the ground floor, so it has a walkout area, but basically I will say the design is not too different from what I have. They have the same amenities. It's not that separate Villetta design. It's just on the main building, and there is rooms next to each other. Also, all the superior rooms will have similar designs. It's just the location, and also walkout veranda or just a normal patio on the top floor. So now this is room 702. As you enter in, you will see it's very spacious. It's very modern. It's beautiful. The bed is huge. There's a lot of storage area. You have your coffee makers here. Also, you're going to get the same robe, same bedroom slippers as well. The only difference is your location of your room. This one in specific, it has a balcony area. So it's not a walkout access area. It's actually on the second floor. Then the bathroom is not an open concept, but basically it's a little smaller than the Villetta design, but it's bright. It has, enough space for two people. The shower is not as large, but it's comfortable, I'll say. It's beautiful space. And toilet is a separate area as well. And there's a drying rack as well. Now for the balcony, this is what I'm talking about. It's on the top floor, so you just have your chairs. It's not as large, but it's comfortable, and you do have a sea view from there. This room is just as beautiful. It all depends on the experience you're looking for, the type of room you like. So I highly recommend this room as well. Well, that was the end of my room tour. I am here for the full 7 days, enjoying a lot of activities on the property, outside of the property. I'm going to showcase my experience, the food, the fun. So stay tuned for my next upcoming video and you will see it all.